probably pretty good. I like them. I mean, that was possible.
Okay. Let's try this again. It's my buddy Greg.
Eat the bottom.
Look at Aish today. We got Carlos the pro. And then we got,
Brian
what's
Smith,
your name again?
Best wingman ever right there.
According to you, Squid. But whatever.
All right,
And then we got the Ishi man.
let's have some fun. You want to lead us, buddy? Here we go.
I want to follow Ishi because I want to see his
Nature Center.
PT action.
Woohoo! Oh.
Oh, I almost stuffed you.
Woo! Yeah, we're good. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, nice. I went straight there a few times. Now they put all that stuff there. Whoa, that's new.
Dude, I went off the side of the road there.
You did?
Yeah. All the way down there. I cut off about 50 yards.
Huh? Jeez.
It's dark under these trees.
Yeah. Yeah, if your lenses are real dark, it screws with you. Yeah.
Pop, you almost left the inside wide open.
I was waiting for your
I love watching you ride. That is so hilarious.
patented out clip. You good, buddy?
Yeah. Cruising down the hill. Going right to second. Okay.
No, I'm good, man. Hello, Johnny Cash going?
Ishi, Mr. Smooth, Kajita. Woo! How's this, Ace? Woo-hoo!